Hello everyone, this is Paukshte Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today I want to give you a review of this coat. It's made of the absolutely amazing Italian coat fabric. The fabric is very beautiful. It's decorated with embroidery. I'll get back to the coat later. There's one thing I want to talk to you about. You know that I want us to be not only different and beautiful, but also bright. When I wear bright clothes, people around me look at me, and that makes them want to wear bright clothes as well. One of the customers of my fashion house ordered such coat first, and then she ordered some more clothes. All of them were bright. I'm sure that those of you who wear coats have simple black coats in your wardrobes, or beige ones. Sometimes we all get tired of such boring clothes. This is why we need to sew such beautiful garments. This coat was made on the basis of the 10 measurement cutting system. The shoulder darts, the center back seam, the waist tucks, they're not too wide. There are the inseam pockets here. We didn't want to cut the embroidery, so we decided to make the inseam pockets. They're not even seen when you look at the coat. Even if you don't use the pockets, there should be pockets in the coat. I want you to have a close look at the fabric. Have a look at this coupon. I wanted to see that there are different flowers here. There are 3 big ones at the bottom, and the smaller ones in the middle and at the top. Notice how beautiful the flowers look like in the coat. I bought about just 10 meters of this fabric from my fashion house. We've already made several garments of it. I wanted to have a close look at the stand collar. We had made a mock-up and put it on the dummy. We didn't like it. There was no other way for me than to take a pair of scissors and start making cuts in the collar. I was making the cuts and fixing them with a sticky tape. It took me pretty long to do it, but I managed to make a perfect stand collar. I changed the collar completely. It's of an absolutely different shape now. It is of an accurate shape. Due to this fact, it's very comfortable. There are the shoulder pads inserted in the coat. There is also a concealed button stand on the front. I'm going to make a course on how to make such button stands. This is my favorite type of the concealed button stand. It's very convenient. You can try making different types of the button stands. As I've already said, this one is not only the most convenient one, but it's also my favorite. Notice how comfortable it is. The coat is lined. There are also tiny buttons here on the wrong side. The coat is of a very high quality. These are the eyelets for the concealed button stand. There is also a pocket here in the lining. The coat is absolutely amazing. I'm sure that the customer will be happy with the result. I love this fabric. I'm happy that our customers order the garments made of it. We've already showed you how to make coats. I'm also going to make a course on how to sew coats of the more complicated designs. There are so many different beautiful fabrics. Don't be afraid of experiments. Remember that practice makes perfect. This is the most important thing. This piece of fabric is just gorgeous. I travel a lot. I've been to Paris more than once. I can't imagine how much would such coat cost in a boutique. A fortune. We're so lucky that we are able to sew such garments for ourselves. The pockets are very comfortable. I remind you that these are the inseam pockets. These are the regular two-piece sleeves. Have a close look at the coat once again. The fashion stylists tell us that we need to have simple, single-colored clothes. It's true. It's just that we also want to be bright and beautiful. I've already showed you the Chanel style coat I made for myself. It was long and there were the slits in it. I know that some people didn't like it. I don't care. It's such a pleasure for me to wear it. I'm sure that the customer who ordered this coat will be also very happy wearing it.
Наша барышня, которая у нас получит это пальто, у нее на душе тоже будет всегда вечный праздник, когда она в этом пальто будет куда-либо выходить.
That's all for today. Remember that practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid of the complicated designs, concealed button stands, inseam pockets, unusual colors. I show you a lot of useful techniques and details. Let's be different and beautiful together. My name is Paukshte Irina. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.